Hi everyone, welcome to AI Trading 808, analytics at your fingertips. Today, I'm going to talk about a topic that a lot of media, financial analysts, Yahoo, all the news stock players, all speculating on where the market's going to go. And some people think the market's going to go higher, some people think it's going to have a correction. However, there's a lot of macroeconomic events that are possibly going to happen to cause the market to actually go higher. I like to call it, the end of year events that happen probably 9 out of 10 times every year. It's cyclical. And the theory is you're trading humans and you're not just trading stocks. Now, think about it. I like to frame it the Chevy Chase theory, just to create some humor, but think about it. Every year, from October to December, what happens every year from October to December? Let me just bust out the holidays. Holidays from October to December in the US. I'm going to just focus on the US stock market. What happens? We have Halloween. We have Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Christmas Day, and New Year's Eve. All these events cause what I like to say an uptrend in the stock market. Now we're already exhausted. Looking at this chart, we're very exhausted, and some people say we're peaking. And this is a daily chart. If I go to the weekly, it looks very, very exhausted. This is the Qs, the NASDAQ. If I go to the S&P 500 with the SPYs, exhausted. Dow Jones, DIA, they're all the same. Another tip. All the stocks move together like ants. So you picking the right stock is like you picking... It doesn't matter what stock you pick. Actually, it does matter. As long as it's the Dow Jones, S&P 500, or NASDAQ. Best of breed. If you stick with one of those that's in the index, you're fine. Because they all go together. They all go up. Especially the tech stocks and the AI stocks. So I want to show you something interesting using the TradingView software. I actually do have my own program, but I'm going to use the TradingView software because it has that historical look back. And if I were to measure the past 10 years from October to this October, let's do it again. And I'm not good with this program, but October to December, which is Q4 for a lot of businesses, quarter 4, we always had a bull run. And the reason of it is it's the last hurrah to make money. Last hurrah. Imagine these companies been working all year from Q1, Q2, Q3, and they've been trying to really grow their company. And now they have 1 quarter left to finish with a bang. Bang. Finish on top. Meet their yearly goals. 1 quarter left. That's all they have left. And especially these financial institutions, big hedge funds, big financial institutions. Imagine these guys having to have all this money they've been holding on and been very conservative the whole year, and eventually they have 1 quarter left, Q4 left, to invest it all in the market so they can hit their goals and make their bonus. Remember now, we little people do not drive the market up. It's the big hedge funds and institutions. And these guys need to make money. They gotta pay, they gotta make their bonus, and they gotta make their families happy. They gotta bring home, like Chevy Chase, the bonus, and have a National Lampoon's Christmas. So everybody is happy. The wife is happy. The kids are happy. Everybody is trying to end on a high note. And you know what's funny? Everybody does end on a high note. That's why we're all happy at Christmas. Right? We have holiday parties. Let me see if I have some pictures. Holiday parties. Christmas holiday parties. Look at this. Everybody's all happy. End of year parties, drinking eggnog, wine, smoking cigars, hedge funds. They all have parties. Look at this. Everybody's partying. It's New York. All these people getting ready for the New Year's Eve. You notice every year it's very cyclical. We're always happy at the end of the year. We're all trying to close the year with a bang, reminisce about the success we've done, eat and like reap the souls of our hard work. All these parties, presents. Let's do Christmas party presents. So I call it the Chevy Chase National Lampoon Theory. You remember Chevy Chase? Wanted to be the biggest house. So happy. Wanted to make his family happy at the end of the year. The biggest scene, if you've seen this movie, and I'm showing you my age, is the bonus, Christmas bonus. Oh my God, he was so excited to get his bonus. And then he was like, this year I did the greatest. And this holiday we're going to celebrate and have all the food. And this happens all across America. This is a U.S. phenomenon. That's why when the stock market, when you see the cyclical stuff, it's all human nature. And I'm going to show you right here, the Chevy Chase theory. Let's look at 2024. Here's October. Let me draw a red line here. October. December. Up. I have to annotate now. Q4 2024. This is the spiders. This is the S&P 500. Oh, this is not even this. Let me do it. It doesn't matter. Q4. This is actually the Dow Jones. My bad. Right, I can do it on the S&P-Y. They're all the same. So they're all the same. 2024. You see that? October. Oh, 3 months. Q4. Okay, let's move back. 2023. I look it down here. 2023. October. It's right on like. December. Up. That's Q4. Q4. 2023. 2022 here. October. December. I know it looks kind of micro, but that was up there. Q4 2022. Let's do it again. 2021. Oh God. History repeats itself. It's crazy because we're humans. It's freaking predictable. October. Oh God. Look at this. October to December. Q4 2021. This is the spider, guys. Over and over and over, we're doing the same thing because we're humans. We end of year, it's celebration time. Now remember now, I think in the past 10 years, there has been 9 out of 10 up days in the stock market in quarter 4. Watch this. We go through the data. 2020. Okay, so this is an anomaly. This is 2020. But before... Interesting. So this is 2021. COVID. Remember that COVID? But before COVID, what happened before COVID? We had holidays. Here's October. I'm going to draw a line. October to December. another update. Oh my goodness, this is getting way too predictable. Q4 20. Oh my god, actually I messed up all my numbers. This is like 2019. So this is 2020. My bad. This is 2021. Okay, my bad guys. I messed up on my little historical analogy. All I'm just showing you is I don't know. There's the trend is your friend. 2020. Oh my god, 2024 is here. October to December. And all I'm just showing you is just a pocket of bullish activity that most people don't really talk about. I don't know why they talk about. I think the reason why they don't want you to know. But granted, once the end of year comes, it's a short period, 3 months to make money. After that, there usually is a sell-off. Now, if you look closely, sell off after Q4. This one didn't have it. Sell off to Q4. Sell off on Q4. This one didn't have it. Sell off of the Q4. So all I'm trying to show you is we are about to enter a Q4. And I'm telling you, this is what's going to look like. September right now. Q4 2025 is going to be bullish. Because it happens all the time. Chevy Chase theory, end of year theory. People gotta make their bonuses. Chevy Chase theory. Oh my god, I can do that. The Chevy Chase theory. End of year bonuses. Hedge funds and institutions have to make their yearly goals. And on a high note, everyone is happy during Christmas. I never see anybody sad on Christmas. Think about it. When's the last time you saw someone sad on Christmas? It never happens. We are going to be bullish because everybody wants it to be bullish. Because we all want to hit our end of year goals. We all want to be happy, and we want to bring home the dollars for our family and loved ones. Take this note, Q4 2025, we're bullish, capitalize, load up on the stocks you see opportunities. There's a lot of pullbacks. Nvidia, Coin, MSTR, Apple, all these stocks are showing pullback opportunities. I would put a little bit in there, not all in, but definitely get some of the action and ride it up. Even Bitcoin. Bitcoin could hit up, somebody says, 150K, 175K. There will be a bull run in Bitcoin too, because everybody is trying to hit their goals. Q4 2025. I'm done. Peace out.